हाँ जी, गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। टुडे सब्जेक्ट इज़ EE थर्ड सेमेस्टर। यूनिट 1 इज़ एप्लीकेशन एंड एडवांटेज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी। ठीक है जी। फर्स्ट टॉपिक इज़ एप्लीकेशन एंड एडवांटेजेस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एंड सेकंड इज़ डिफरेंसेस बिटवीन AC एंड DC। Here is application and advantages of electricity. It is well known fact that electricity plays an extreme important role in our day-to-day life. Electrical energy finds number of uses in home, industry, agriculture, and even in transport. It is regarded as convenient form of energy because it can be generated centrally in bulk and transmitted economically over long distances, and is also pollution free at the consumer level. Next is sources of energy. There are various sources of energy like sun energy, wind energy, tide energy, ठीक है जी, water energy and nuclear energy. Third is fuels and sixth is fuels and seventh is fuel cells. Advantages of electrical energy. Electrical energy is the most popular form of energy. It is considered superior to all other forms of energy due to undermentioned reasons. First is cheapness. ठीक है, it is very cheap when produced in bulk. Second is cleanliness. It is a clean source of energy. Easy control. Electricity can be controlled very easily, so it has a very easy control. Fourth, convenient transmission. It can be transmitted over long distances very conveniently. Okay. All the structures and all the infra have to be raised once and you can use it for a longer period of time. And fifth is conversion into other energy forms. It can be easily converted in many forms. Next is AC and DC. AC stands for alternating current and DC stands for direct current. The quantity is called alternating if its magnitude changes and the direction reverses at periodic intervals of time. However, in case of DC, magnitude and direction do not change with respect to time. Differences between AC and DC. Here is the AC sinusoidal wave. ठीक है, first it goes in positive half to at a definite level, then it comes back to zero, then it goes to negative half to a definite level, and then again it becomes zero. This is called sinusoidal wave, and AC travels in this form. Here is DC. DC has a fixed magnitude. ठीक है, it is a straight line when plotted on a graph. The magnitude, it's like in AC, its magnitude changes direction and reverses at a regular interval of time. In case of DC, the magnitude and direction does not change with respect to time. The voltage level can be increased or decreased with the help of static device called transformer. In DC system, change in voltage level is difficult to achieve. AC can be generated at high voltages. Third, DC cannot be generated at high voltages because the commutator is spoiled due to sparking at the high voltage. Next is AC transmission and distribution is more economical. This is because in case of AC, distribution at high voltage is possible. Here, since DC cannot be generated at high voltage, its transmission and distribution is less efficient. Here, AC motors for the same horsepower as that of DC motors are cheaper and requires less maintenance as compared to DC motor. Here DC cannot be converted into AC so easily, and the method of conversion is not economical. Next is application of electricity. Electricity is used throughout our homes, at work, in communication, in transportation, and in medicines and science. In other words, electricity has invaded our lives and become vital in almost all aspects of society. Some of the important applications of electricity are discussed below. First is home, ठीक है जी. Second is transportation. Third is communication. Fourth, industry. Fifth, electroplating. Electroplating, it is a process in which a metal is coated with the layer of the another metal like nickel plating, tin plating, etc. The process of electroplating also rely on electricity. And this is your first unit. It is covered here.
कितने मिनट की होगी?
6